In this series of exercises, we'll be examining linear inequalities. Write a linear inequality that describes the shaded region. We have a solid line passing through the origin. That tells us that the y-intercept is 0. So what we're interested in is the slope. Let's locate this point right here. That point appears to be 2, -1, which means if I start at the origin and I go down 1, then I would go over 2. That gives me a slope of -1 over +2. So this would be y, and then we're not sure yet, but then -1 over 2x. So in other words, -1/2 x. Now, because it's shaded below the line, that means that we would use a less than symbol. And it's less than or equal to because the line is solid. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, you could always use a test point. For example, 0, -1. 0 for x, -1 for y. We're comparing 0 times -1/2 is 0, so we're comparing -1 to 0. -1 is less than or equal to 0, so we have in fact selected the correct inequality for this shaded region.